Hi everyone, Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 16 by 20 inch canvas or 40 by 50 centimetre, and I've got some black and white paint on there. I've had a bit of fun with it actually. I have had today quite a number of oh my god, that's dreadful, so I'm hoping that this is my last try for the night, and I hope that it turns out alright. Now what I did, I just put the black on and then the white on, and then I used my spatula and went like that, and whilst it looked alright, and then I went like this and I sort of just started doing that and finger painting. Why should kids have all the fun? And I ended up with this really nice, I don't mind a little pattern, so that's going to be the base coat, and I'm going to try and leave a fair bit of it on. I have a dustpan and I have a scoop, and I might get a spoon because the scoop's rather large. Teaspoon will do me nicely, just stay there spoon, and I'm just going to put some of these colours on here. I'll put them over here out of my way. Not that I don't trust myself, but I don't trust myself. And I have OGX in the red only. So, as I was saying, I have red, gold, black and white. So here's the gold, which I rather like. And trusty little spoon just to do this. Oh, those colours are something else, really good. Okay, let's get some of them out. Oh, how rich. Alright, start in this corner maybe, and bring him over and to a little point. Very good. And I have these colours and come across here. Let that dribble down a bit. Now I think I like it over here. Look at the gold, oh my goodness. These colours are starting to mix a bit. So I'm just letting that come off the spoon, off the scoop. Lovely colours. And then I'm going to put some more in here just to liven it up a bit. And the gold. Some white. And the black. Right, once again. And this time I'll use the little spoon. Bring it. Across. I have something here, I think. Bit of white. Have some red. Red, black and gold. Bring it across here. And where's that red? Alright, I think that might do. That looks a bit dull there, doesn't it? Still, look at these lovely colours I've got left over. Well, I'll have to find something to do with those in a minute. Oh no, just the thing. I'll show you what I do when I have that. Where are you? Come here. You dude. Come here. So this is just one of those little plastic containers, right? I reuse them, so that I don't want. I can put that over there for a second. This is the lid. Now one side of the lid sort of stands up and then it's got a groove in it. I don't know, that's the top. It's got a nice little edge. So then you get this, and I just tip it in there like that. Come on, gold, out you come. I can see you're in there. Right. And then I, careful so I don't get it on the painting, fill up the thing to the edges. I don't like that part, so I tip that off. Right, get back. And usually I do this correctly. I have some paper ready. And I can wipe around like that. I think you can still see what I'm doing. And I have some bright colours in that spoon left. And there's still some gold in there, which I want to get out. So, gold and red. Put in there. Once the colours sort of start to look a bit muddy, well, don't use them then. But there you go. So that's what I do. And that's ordinary in there. See, and then that can just go over here to be washed. More washing than you can poke a stick at. All right. So then this, that takes 2 or 3 days to dry, and it ends up being a beautiful skin. That one will be lovely. I will just wipe my hands off and I'll get you a finished skin to have a look at. And I have one over here. In my book somewhere. I'll just have to find it. Where are your skin? When you know I can't find it. It's in here, I know. I put it in here myself. Just bear with me. And with my stencils it is. I thought. Aha. This is rather a nice aqua black and white one. There she is. And as you can see, that's done. That's the, could have it either side, doesn't really matter. And that's one I did earlier, last week. So, can you see that nicely? Yeah. So that's it. And I just lay them flat in with my other bits and pieces in my folder, and they can stay there then till I decide what I might want to do with them. I have several under there drying now, so I would have to wait and see what I'm going to do with those in this. So this is rather cool, and I don't know what more I can do to it. I rather like the background, so I don't want to mess with that too much. gooey paint. And, you know, I might just leave that, she says. But before I do, maybe just bring a few of the colours around more. There, that can come around. Yes, starting to really look the part. Now this bit here, all right, what about a wiggle? Into a gold. I think this is really good. All right, you can come across. Okay, I love it. I might have a bit more white here and there, I think, running up there perhaps. And maybe here too. Have some here. Leading up there. And maybe here. Right. I'm happy. I want some white up there. Yep, that's me done. I'll bring you down to take a look, and that is really, really, really pretty. And so that's what I've been looking at, and I haven't put the heat gun over it. I don't think I will. Cells are likely to come up on their own anyway, but I rather like it just as it is, so I'm not all that interested in putting in the heat. It'll just bring up more cells, and I rather like just sort of like that. You see the pattern? And over here It's really pretty. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.